Do you remember the theory of refactoring pyramid that I have described in one of my previous courses? It contains 5 general levels that allow you to perform refactoring in gradual steps. Usually, dealing with one level unveils other possibilities to continue at higher levels. We start from cleaning the flow that leads to extracting smaller methods. Or sometimes right away, out of a single big method, we can extract 2 smaller methods, and then continue cleaning the flow within these 2 smaller methods. Then we go higher. How did we apply this concept during refactoring poker hands logic? Have a look. We started with a mess. HandResolver class contained conditions inside other conditions, duplicated code. And we started cleaning up this code in small steps. At the first step, HandResolver became slightly cleaner at the top. We put duplicated logic responsible for checking if the cards are sequential, belong to the same suit, into 2 separate methods, and then these 2 separate methods have been moved into cardset class, because these methods, the logic of these methods, required data, the cards that are placed within this cardset class. We were continuing our journey, and HandResolver was more and more clean. Here we are in the middle of our journey, and as you see, half of the HandResolver contains not nested ifs. We added 2 more additional missing building blocks. Has rank diversity, contains rank with multiplicity. These 2 methods, additional 2 methods, have been placed into cardset. Have a look. It contains is all same suit, is sequential, has rank diversity, contains rank with multiplicity. 4 methods, 4 building blocks have been placed within cardset. At some point, HandResolver contained only not nested if-else conditions, and the whole logic should be covered from the strongest to the weakest poker hand. This way, our journey or the view for classes became visible. We could put all the conditions belonging to given poker hand into separated classes. Here you can see that there are many spec classes. Let's open one of them, high card spec. So what is high card? The set of cards is not of single suit, is not sequential, and contains 5 different ranks. Definitely it is the case. If it's flush, let's open. Flush poker spec, flush poker hand, happens when the set of cards belong to the same suit and the cards are not sequential. Exactly. This allowed us to think about merging or joining all these classes into one common interface. Here is the interface. Poker hand spec. It contains one method that says true or false. Am I satisfied by this set of cards? And the interface explains itself, who am I? So as you see, the number of possible interfaces currently is limited. This is the reason why I have put this interface among all these classes, although others might say that it should be placed next to HandResolver. This interface that allowed us to join these classes, to hide these classes behind it, allowed us to put these classes into chain of responsibility. Here is the chain of responsibility that implements one of the design patterns. And this way, the logic has been spread across multiple classes with small single responsibilities.